to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Android screen stays on problem on Samsung Galaxy. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is adjust your screen timeout settings. For that, simply head over to your quick settings, head over to settings on your device. Once you're here, what you can do is scroll to find display. Once you're inside your display settings, what you can do is search for screen timeout, tap on screen timeout, and make sure to set it between 30 seconds to 5 minutes. The other thing that you can try and do is head back over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings in your device, what you'll have to do is look for advanced features. Inside of your settings, tap on advanced features. Once you're inside advanced features, what you can do is look for motions and gestures. Tap on motions and gestures, and then toggle off things like lift to wake, or double tap to turn off screen, or to keep screen on while viewing. If the issue still persists, simply head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device, head over to safe mode, and see if there are any rogue apps causing the problem. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.